Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are here in lesson 19, season 4, and let's go to sololearn.com and continue our lesson about Python for beginners in sololearn. Okay guys, let's go to courses and open Python for beginners, lesson 4 about control flow, and this lesson is about Boolean logic. Let's continue. Now, it's time to level up our Boolean with some operators which allows us to combine multiple conditions. Let's start with the AND operator. It is true if both condition evaluates to true. Okay, so if we use the AND operator, if it will be true when the both conditions evaluate to true, like this. Print 1 equals 1. Okay, it is true. And 2 equals 2. Okay, this one is true. So these both of conditions are true. So the last or the final answer is true. It's right in here. And here, print 1 equals 1. It is true. And 2 is 3. It is false. So the final answer is false. You know that this is a AND operator, and it will be true when the both condition relates to true. What's the result of this code? If 1 equals 1 and 2 plus 2 is 4 bigger than 3, okay, these two items are true. So we have true in the result. So it is our true answer. Now, onto the OR operator. The OR operator is true if either or both of its conditions are true, and false if both conditions are false. Like this, print 1 equals 1 or 1 or 2 equals 2 is true. 1 equals 1 or 2 equals 2 also true. 1 doesn't equals 1 or 2 equals 2 also is true answer. And 2 smaller than 1, it is false. 3 bigger than 6, it is false. So the final answer is false. Fill in the blanks to print welcome if any of conditions are true. Age is 15, money is 500. So if age bigger than 8, it is true answer. And or sorry, age bigger than 18. Okay, no. Our age is 15, so it is false. Or money bigger than 100. Our money is 500, so it is true. It is one. So we have or operator, and one of these are true. So our final answer is true actually. So we have welcome in here. Continue. As you can see, besides values, you can also compare variables to form condition. Like this. Age 24, limit 18, height 191. If age bigger than limit and height bigger than 180, print yes. So it is an exercise, you can do it for yourself. Fill in the blanks to output closed if the hour variable is larger than 20, or if the day variable is equal to Sunday. Okay, if hour bigger than 20 or day equals to Sunday, print close. So we should write this code for print the close in the result. Boolean not. Finally, the not operator works a little differently. Not takes just one argument and invert it. The result of not true is false, and not false goes to true, like this. Print not 1 equals 1. Okay, the value of 1 equals 1, it is true. and the value of not true is false. Okay, this is very important. Like this, 1 bigger than 7 is false, and not false is true. Continue. What is the result of this code? If not true, true, not true is false. Print 1. And if 1 plus 1 is 2 equals 3, it is false. And not false, it is true, print true. So our result is 2 because it is a true answer in here. 2. Continue. Boolean logic. You can chain multiple conditional statements in an if statement using the Boolean operators. Country equals US, age is 42. If country equals US or country equals GB and age bigger than 0 and age smaller than 100, prints cool. So it is very good example for this issue that you can try. What is the result of this condition when hour is 9 and day is 23? Okay, hour bigger than 12 and day is smaller equals to 15. Okay, so day isn't smaller than 15, but hours is also smaller than 12. So this answer is false. Okay, the final answer of this parenthesis is false. And here we have or in here, and this is a condition here. Hour is smaller than 10. Okay, it is true. So this side of our condition is true, but this side is false because we have or in here, so our final answer is true, like this. Boolean logic, Python's order of operations is the same as that of normal mathematics. Parentheses first, then explanation, then multiplication, division, and then addition and subtraction. Okay? And what is the result of following operation? 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3. Okay, so how we should calculate this? The multiply is first. So 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. It's very easy. Time to practice. We should do this exercise or solve this project. It said, give the age of person as input, output their age group. Okay, for example, here are the age group you need to handle. Oh yes, child is 0 to 11, teen is 12 to 17, adult is 18 to 64. Sample input 42 is adult. Okay, let's go to check. So we have age in here as output. So we should write the conditions in here. If age smaller, if age equals to 0, or age smaller or equals to 11, then print child. Okay, print child. Elif age okay, if age bigger, okay, let's me a minute to put here a bigger sign like this, bigger or equals to 12. Okay, bigger than 1, and this one we should put the and in here because every one of these statements was must be true. And age smaller or equals 17, print teen. And elif age bigger equals than 18, and age smaller or equals to 64, print adult. Let me to copy this text here for true type. Okay, let's check this. It was true our program because if the user entered the 15 as input, he got the teen in the output, and if write 19, he had adult in output. Yes, 1 to 11 is child, 12 to 17 is teen, and 19 is adult. Okay, and this project solved. Let's go to the last practice. What's the output of this code? Print 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and we have 6 in output. Congratulations, lesson completed, and we can complete this lesson about Boolean logic. Okay guys, thank you for following us or watching this video until here. Please like the video and comment your opinion under this video. We are going to the next lesson about while loop that are very important in Python. Please following us and please subscribe to the channel if you don't do this before. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.